This review is for the lava rocks. I have been using them almost 9 months and they are performing well. They keep the heat really good. Even if I turn off the sauna and get out and come back after 2 hours, I still cannot touch the rocks. They are still super hot, and it really helps the heat inside the sauna without like constantly triggering the heater. As you can see, still you don't see any like light inside, so it's been performing really well. Like I can splash water in and you can see it just turn into steam right away. It's really performing well. It came in, I believe it was around 45-pound box. I almost put all of them, just a couple pieces left behind, so I didn't want to overload and put too much weight on the heater. So I am really happy with this. I definitely suggest if anybody looking for sauna rocks.